Welcome to this extended stretch, 10 minutes to work on mobility and flexibility. I just have a long resistant band tube. Grab a towel, grab whatever you have, and you're going to pick a leg, and we're going to lift. You can be laying on the ground, or you can be laying on your rebounder mat right here. We're going to work on mobility, flexibility, creating elasticity in our muscles. We're going to get some myofascia release as well. So right now you're going to feel this beautiful stretch in the back of the calf, the hamstring, and the glutes. Your foot is nice and neutral. Now let's take that leg to the outside. Mobility, flexibility is just as important as strength, cardio, balance, and coordination. You're more injury prone if you do not have normal range of motion in through your joints. How do you maintain normal range of motion in your joints? You stretch. Focus on mobility. Take that leg, cross the midline of your body, and look over your opposite shoulder. Or you can bend. You can bend in through the knee. If you don't like that straight leg, absolutely bend. Just breathe deep into the stretch. All right, I want you to grab that back leg. Let's stretch out that back leg. So remember, you can have a towel, just something long that you can reach. Nice and neutral in the foot. Feel the stretch in the back of the calf, the hamstring, and the glutes. Beautiful job. Enjoy stretching, guys. Vital component to overall physical fitness. Now take it out to the side. Just where you can hold it, just take it out to the side. Nice and relaxed and through that upper body. We're just releasing in through the lower body right now. Breathe deep. Inhale through your nose. And you can exhale through your nose or exhale through your mouth. All right, we're taking that leg. We're crossing the midline of our body. And we're looking over the opposite shoulder. Sit, relax, enjoy this rotational movement. All right, let's take that leg up and let's just place both legs in nice and neutral and just straight legs. Just try to bring your legs and just feel them lift, stretching through the back of your calf, your hamstrings, your butt cheeks. You may feel this in your back as well. Beautiful job. Put a bend in both knees. I'm going to ask you to roll it up. All right, we're going to come in a seated position. I'm just going to turn my rebounder so you guys can see me, because if I don't, this bar is in the way. Okay, so here we go. You're just going to grab that long. We're going to just stretch it here. So I'll just go from the side. Right here, holding, lengthening. Shoulders are set back down and away from your ears. Just continuing to release and through the lower body. All right, now you're going to take that other leg. Just take your towel, your yoga strap, whatever you have. Don't round forward though. Feel this nice lengthening in through your lower body. Your foot is nice and neutral. You're just letting that foot be in a neutral position. All right, we're going to take that down. Now I want you to just lift with, you're going to sit up tall. You're just going to take your towel. Oh, you're going to work in opposition. Eye gaze to the ceiling. And just open up and through your side. Breathe it through. Where you're tight, breathe breath into the tightness. Both butt cheeks are on the mat or the ground. All right, let's run to the other side. Really feel the release. Eye gaze to the ceiling. Both butt cheeks on the mat or on the ground. Feel the fascia lengthen and release. Open up, no tension. Come center. You're just gonna take it over the crown of your head. You're gonna sit up nice and tall. You're gonna have your heels together, your toes together. Inhale here. Exhale as you come forward. Beautiful groin stretch. Release your upper body. Heels are together, big toes are touching, knees are dropping out and away. Upper body relaxed. Upper body relaxed. Head, neck, and shoulders relaxed. Would you let me in? I can step out into the open. I feed my soul to the shores and to the ocean floor. And then I wake up and do it over. Lift up. I want you now just to, palms are going to face in. We're going to do chest expansion. You're just lifting, so your hands are shoulder width apart, and lift as high as you can. Beautiful chest expansion. So hands are a little more than shoulder width apart. You're going to feel your chest open up. Into the open. You're going to drop your hands down. Right hand on the left knee, look over your shoulder. Spinal rotation. Last song. Working rotation, joint mobility, fascia release. Sit up tall, left hand on the right knee. Again, mobility, flexibility is a vital component of physical fitness. Do not skimp. Take it to a side. And just let your eyes gaze to the ceiling. Lengthen through your leg and your top arm. And just roll to the other side. Top leg, top arm, eye gaze to the ceiling. Feel the fascia release. No tension in the head, neck, or shoulders. Place your hands on the frame, butt on your heels, and just come into this beautiful child's pose. Butt on your heels, hands walk away. Breathe into the deepest part of your lungs. Come up onto all fours, cat-cow stretch, spinal mobility. Your timing. Feel the movement in through your spine. Nice and fluid. You're going to come back into neutral. You're going to come on the rebounder, feet hip width apart, health bounce. Deep breath in. Health bounce. Feet don't leave the mat. And exhale. Feet hip width apart. Soft bend in your knee. Again. Inhale. Palms face away. Finish with the health bounce to set your body. Pressing down nice and equally into the mat. Soft bend in the knee. Hip, knees, toes pointing forward. Breathe into the deepest part of the lungs. Nice and equal. Beautiful health bounce. Breathe. Just let the health bounce finish your workout. Pressing down into the mat. Shoulders set back down and away from your ears. Deep breath in. Float on airwaves. And an exhale. Shoulders up and back. Release. And we are done. My name is Angie, AngieFitnessTV. Look in the description box below if you would like to buy a Leaps and Rebounds. Again, this is 5 years old and I absolutely love mine. Until next time, guys, goodbye.